Hi, I'm Charlotte Slaiman, Competition Policy Director at Public Knowledge. Today we sent a letter to the Department of Justice and State Attorneys General on new research and analysis that sheds light on what an antitrust case against Google could look like in the digital advertising space. That research comes in the form of a new paper released today by Professor Fiona Scott-Morton and David Daniele. The paper is called A Roadmap for a Digital Advertising Monopolization Case Against Google. In light of this new research, we think it's clear that Google's power and conduct in the digital ad tech market deserves serious scrutiny from antitrust enforcers. The UK's Competition Authority investigated digital ad markets and issued an interim report. This paper takes the findings from that interim report and applies US antitrust law to them. Together, these experts argue that the conduct laid out in the report and other sources shows an anti-competitive strategy by Google to unfairly dominate digital advertising markets. So the way we see digital ads on the internet is as a result of a complicated exchange that is going on behind the scenes. When you visit, say, a news website, that's considered a publisher in the digital advertising space. You'll see an ad there, and that ad is the result of an auction that has taken place in an exchange, which is also known as a supply-side platform. There are a lot of different parties that are representing the publishers and the advertisers for them to have that auction. So the key is Google has products in each of these different pieces of the digital advertising ecosystem. And they were able to use those positions at various places in the ad tech market to their advantage. When the DOJ and the state AGs conduct their investigations, they should be looking to confirm whether these facts are accurate in the US. And if they are, the antitrust case they bring should look a lot like the proposal in this paper. Last week, we saw several news articles indicating that the Department of Justice and state AGs may be nearly finished with their investigations and moving towards actually filing lawsuits against Google for antitrust violations. These were not official announcements, but rather unsourced leaks, so we don't know for sure. But it makes this new research all the more important. To stay informed on this issue, you can follow me on Twitter at charlotteswwweb and follow Public Knowledge at Public Knowledge. And check out the links below. Thanks.